is Dawn. Hi, my name is Dawn.
Welcome to Double A Twins Club.
Coming back to our twin club and going to the dinner.
Woo! We got some fidget spinners. Nice. One fell off. Blue one. And they got their favorite colors. Azan got his blue favorite color. Aman, we couldn't find the green one, but his second favorite color is yellow, and then I guess black. He just chose some random colors. And what did we get here? Hand spinner. Awesome. What happened? Oh, the middle part came off. Actually, no, that's how it's supposed to be. It's loose a little bit. Okay, let's take out all the garbage. Nice. And oh, you got two blues? Nice. Alright, you want to show everybody your trick with this fidget spinner? Let me take the garbage off. Azan, you can do another one. You got three other ones. Woo!
Wait a minute. Wait, I have a good wait up. No.
Are we ready?
Yeah, but wait, me.
Okay, you do it.
I was gonna do all this stuff. It's not the first thing.
You got a lot of blues. Well, we got 3 blues, 2 red, and 1 yellow, 1 black. We had another blue actually, but that one broke. And what else we had? We had another one too, right? There was actually a third blue. Can I see the third blue right there? That one broke too. Not working. I guess a whole bunch of blue. We know that because of Azan. That's his favorite color. Alright, ready? Woo!
Mom! Now it's my turn to put it.
Woo! Uh-oh!
The middle one all going down.
Oh no! All of them fell down.
No.
Azan, what are you doing?
No, you don't.
Are you lining them up? All right. I want to see what he's trying to do. Okay. Uh-oh. I like the yellow one actually. Looks cool.
Why? Because you look my yellow one.
I love your yellow one.
I'm doing something crazy.
Actually, my favorite is the yellow and this red.
You don't know what.
Woo! And the other red one.
You do this one.
Yes.
Mommy,
Okay.
this is the dog one.
It's hard doing it with one hand or 2 fingers actually.
I'll do the rest. That little one is too hard. Mommy, go on in there. You see that?
Yes.
Go on it, go on it.
let's try again.
Mommy, how will you finish? But I have to maybe
Thanks for watching our video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, AA Twins Club. That's AA Twins Club. Bye.
I collapsed again.
Dad.